when it comes to Muslim and minorities, you know what BJP stands for. So that's why I said no. I was asking you the question, why should not we have a debate on the creamy layer 10%? They are objecting for the reservation what we are given. And reservation is given for what? What is it we are given reservation for? For what we are given? In contract.
To bring them on par with everyone.
No, in contract basis, right? Right. In contract. So what are they brought reservation for 10% for creamy layer? They are given a 10% creamy layer reservation, right? For what they are given for? We should have a parallel debate on this. That's good for us. So if such debate comes, then people will get to know who is playing for what. Thank
so
you.
Why your government is delaying the census of the caste report?
They will do it. Yes, definitely. We have to have a consensus among everybody. We will take opinion of everybody in all walks of life, and definitely it's been tabled already. And in due course of time, it has taken time, but in due course of time, definitely it will be implemented.
I need elaboration, sir, because the kind of a statement Mr. Yatnal made, that he will reveal all the names related to Ramya Rao's case, he is indirectly saying that somebody, a big fish from the government side, is involved in this case, in the gold smuggling.
No, we don't know. Whatever Mr. Yatnal has got, he has got every right. And the central government is ruled by them only. And he has got nexus to all the agencies. He can go and place the records to the agency also. If he wants to have a press meet and he wants to tell the names also, he is open. We welcome it. In what way it is wrong?